So the highly anticipated OnePlus 15 is almost here, and the hype is off the charts. After months of leaks, teasers, and speculation, the brand has finally confirmed that its next-generation flagship will officially launch on October 27th. OnePlus fans, mark your calendars. This is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and polished Android phones of the year. Now, let's talk about OnePlus's latest announcement, the new colors. OnePlus has revealed 3 absolutely stunning shades for the OnePlus 15: Absolute Black, Mist Purple, and Original Sand Dune. These colorways look premium and refined, each bringing its own personality to the design. Compared to last year's OnePlus 13, which came in blue, obsidian, and white, the new palette feels far more elegant and modern. The design itself has also evolved. You'll notice a central hole-punch camera, slightly curved edges, and a square-shaped camera module with rounded corners that looks cleaner and more balanced. As for the big day, October 27th is when OnePlus will officially unveil the OnePlus 15 in China, alongside the OnePlus Ace 6. The phone is already up for pre-reservations on OnePlus's official store, JD.com, and other major e-commerce platforms, a clear sign that excitement is sky-high. Now, let's talk power. The OnePlus 15 will be fueled by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, setting a new benchmark for Android performance. Expect buttery-smooth performance, faster AI processing, and next-level gaming. Complementing the powerhouse chip is a 165Hz OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, delivering ultra-fluid visuals and vibrant colors. OnePlus is using a third-generation BOE Oriental panel with incredibly thin 1.15mm bezels on all 4 sides that's near borderless perfection. On the software front, the Chinese variant will ship with ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, while the global version will run OxygenOS 16, ensuring the clean, fast, and customizable OnePlus experience fans love. Coming to the cameras, rumors suggest a triple 50-megapixel setup, a main sensor, an ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. That means major improvements in zoom clarity and overall photography. Battery life also looks promising. Leaks point to a massive 7,300 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. Add in an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a true flagship beast. With its stunning design, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, blazing fast display, and premium color options, the OnePlus 15 is all set to redefine what a flagship should be. The countdown to October 27th has officially begun, and OnePlus fans, this one looks worth the wait. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.